I'm gonna do tips on sex and relationships and stuff right now. So you might want to listen. If you know what I'm saying. You're trying to get up and beat Alyssa's cheeks. You know what I'm saying? That's her name, right? Or it's like Allie or.
Just go ahead and keep going with what you got.
What should I talk about?
You just said you were talking about.
I mean, like. I don't know what to say about it.
Well, go from your situation right now.
I don't want this popcorn anymore. It's not good. It is good. I do want it. But I'm just gonna wait. How to kiss someone. That's a good topic, right? Okay. So what you do is.
Now, what you should do is you should tell all the people that watch yours not to eat assholes.
They probably heard that.
I hope they did. That is the most disgusting thing on this planet. Do not do it.
I think we know not to eat the chili hole. Thank you.
God, it's fucking disgusting.
Anyway.
I don't even know how people get turned on.
Can you shut the fuck up?
No, I can't.
Damn. Alright. When you're kissing someone. You don't do that, first of all. Oh my god. You better hope that shit doesn't stick, I swear to god. Anyway. When you're kissing someone, don't fart again, I swear to god, I'll punch you in the face. Why is he yelling at her? Okay, anyway. When you're kissing someone, you just pretend that person is a giant soft serve ice cream with a lot of jimmies, and you just have at it. You gotta make sure that none of the jimmies come off the ice cream, or you're gonna die. That's how you do it. That's how you have the best kiss. That's how you do it. Do you have any tips, badass? Besides farting and not eating assholes.
Don't fart, don't eat assholes, and don't swallow the other person's tongue. You might choke on it.
Spitters are quitters. Followers gain more. Oh shit!
Spitters are quitters. So
Swallowers gain more followers.
Spitters are quitters, so you better swallow.
You just said not to.
Yes, but
Fuck
if you're going on your tongue, then yes, spitters are quitters. You might as well swallow.
Fuck you in the butt. Something hard as sandpaper.
I don't roll that way. My swing does not swing that way.
Swing everywhere.
No, they don't swing side to side.
Yes, it do. If you swing it from side to side.
Swing on my front porch does not swing side to side. Swings up and back. Up and back.
If there's an earthquake, that shit will swing side to side.
Yeah, because it'll fall.
Exactly.